Stop scrolling. If you're Gen Z, there's a high chance you already regret at least one money decision you made in 2025. And the scary part is this: most people do not realize their biggest money mistake until that has already cost them years of progress. 2025 was not just another year, it was a turning point. High inflation, expensive housing, AI replacing jobs, and a generation earning money faster than ever before, but saving less than any generation in history. Today, we're exposing the real money regrets Gen Z is admitting right now. Not fake motivation, not social media hype. Real regrets backed by behavior and data. And more importantly, how you fix them in 2026 before they quietly destroy your financial future. Stay till the end, because the last regret is the one most people never see coming. Regret number 1: spending like income would always go up. In 2025, Gen Z earned more than previous generations at the same age, but savings did not increase, spending did. Food delivery, buy now, pay later, micro subscriptions, lifestyle upgrades the moment income increased. Many Gen Z workers admitted they had no emergency fund at all, not 1 month, not even 2 weeks. The regret was simple: I thought I would earn more later, so it was fine. The reality is harsher. Expenses always grow faster than income when there is no plan. Here's how you fix this in 2026. You do not need extreme budgeting. You need automatic defense. Set one rule: every time your income increases, your savings increase first. Before lifestyle upgrades, before new subscriptions, before celebrating. Even small automatic transfers build protection faster than motivation ever will. Regret number 2: ignoring investing because it felt confusing or risky. In 2025, millions of Gen Z adults kept money sitting in checking accounts, earning almost nothing. At the same time, inflation quietly reduced its value. Many said the same thing: I wanted to invest, but I didn't know where to start. Others waited for the perfect time. That time never came. The regret: I waited too long. The truth: time matters more than timing. Here's the 2026 fix. Start boring. Broad market funds, consistent monthly investing, no chasing hype. Gen Z has the biggest advantage of all: time. Even small monthly investments in your early 20s can outperform aggressive investing started late. You don't need to be an expert, you need consistency. Regret number 3: using credit the wrong way. Credit cards were not the enemy, misuse was. In 2025, many Gen Z users relied on credit for lifestyle spending instead of strategy. Minimum payments, high interest, constant stress. The regret: I didn't realize how fast interest stacks. Here's the fix for 2026. Use credit as a tool, not income. One rule changes everything. If you cannot pay it off this month, you cannot afford it. Build credit by paying on time, not by carrying debt. Good credit opens doors. Bad credit quietly closes them for years. Regret number 4: not learning money early enough. Schools didn't teach it. Families avoided it. So many learned money through mistakes. Late fees, bad loans, missed opportunities. The regret: I wish someone explained this sooner. Here's the 2026 fix. You do not need a finance degree. You need awareness. Learn the basics: how interest works, how taxes work, how investing works, how debt traps people. 1 hour a week of financial learning compounds faster than most side hustles. Knowledge reduces fear. Fear causes avoidance. Avoidance causes regret. Regret number 5: believing social media lifestyles were normal. In 2025, Gen Z faced more financial comparison than any generation before. Luxury trips, designer items, perfect lives. What was hidden was debt, family support, and sometimes fake success. The regret: I spent money trying to keep up. The fix for 2026: unfollow financial pressure, follow financial progress. Your money should buy freedom, not validation.
Delayed gratification is not punishment, it's power. Regret number 6, not preparing for instability. 2025 proved one thing clearly: jobs are not permanent. Industries change fast. Layoffs don't ask your age. Many Gen Z workers have no backup plan, no emergency savings, no alternative skills. The regret: I felt stuck when income stopped. Here's the fix: build optionality. Emergency savings, transferable skills, multiple income paths over time. Security today is flexibility, not loyalty to one paycheck. Now, listen carefully. The biggest regret Gen Z will talk about in 2030 is not what they bought, it's what they delayed. Delayed saving, delayed investing, delayed learning, delayed control. 2026 is not about perfection, it's about correction. Small changes, consistent habits, clear priorities. Money doesn't care about your age, but time does. If you control your money early, you control your options later. And that's the difference between stress and freedom. If this video made you rethink even one habit, you are already ahead. 2026 is not a repeat of 2025, only if you choose it not to be. Stay smart, stay intentional, and start now.